Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Doogee S98. So in order to do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. From here, start search for Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is finished, we'll be able to open this app. From here, we can sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices. I'm gonna do it later. Here you can accept or not for data sharing preferences. And lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser or simply skip it by pressing on Not Now. So I'm gonna set it like this. And from here we can open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.